Hello everyone, so here comes the very first vlog of Sharmani Talks. We will be going to Rishikesh via Delhi. I will be covering all the important things such as food, travel, camping, rafting, stay and few other things. And a complete itinerary कैसे कितना पैसा खर्च होगा and which all places to be covered in a 3 days round trip. I'll promise you guys it will be a treat to watch trip, so watch till the end. So here we go with the vlog. Stay tuned. So we are en route from Rishikesh bus stand to our base camp, Camp Crossfire, and it's a beautiful way in between. This camera is not able to justify the beauty which I'm able to see here. Look at this, guys. So stay tuned.
Hey guys, so we have reached at our camp and we have lost our direction. We don't know where we are. And यहाँ
Hello,
पे किसी
everyone.
कोई दिखाई नहीं दे रहा
Good
है.
morning,
Headlight
ladies and
headlight क्या
gentlemen. We are here with Rajat, Golu, and the Richa.
अबे हिंदी में बोल ले.
हम 1 घंटे तक ट्रैक किए यहाँ तक पहुँचे।
1 घंटे की ड्राइव कैसी थी?
शानदार। अभी अपनी मंजिल तक पहुँच के बहुत मजा आया है और गोलू और रह थक चुके हैं और ये अपना एक कैमरा मैन भी थक चुका है तो वाला
God, signing off guys. It's a beautiful. Oh, कैसा है रूम हमारा? Luxury. है बाहर? Okay. See guys, this is why we had to wake up early in the morning. Like a background wallpaper.
You're able to see that river going at least at 12 km/h speed. See the speed of
Yes,
water.
yesterday he went and measured the speed of the water.
Inside the water, we were there, me and Rajat playing with the water.
Rafting, right? You people went rafting.
Yes.
How was your experience?
people who
How
did
was
it-
your rafting experience, by the way?
Like a life-changing experience. We wanted to do something adventurous. We knew we had the guts, but didn't get a chance. But somehow we got a chance yesterday, and we just pushed our limits and completed it. Like,
You were out of your comfort zone.
We crafted 22 kilometers in 3.5 hours, and it was a life-changing. I mean, like I would recommend everyone should try it.
And
Correct.
what
Very
about
right,
the
and
point
in a
when
day, we trekked for 14 kilometers and we rafted for almost 40 kilometers. 24 kilometers in a day.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
it was a thrilling experience. I never
And,
expected this in life.
Right. And what about the time when both of you fell down out of your boat?
What would you like to answer?
I didn't get your question. Can you come again, please?
जब दोनों की दोनों गिर गए और पानी में बहते बहते पता नहीं कहाँ जा रहे थे तो कैसा लगा?
We are almost the shore of the river. Right? So it was not that tough. Our guide was there who took us safely to the side of the shore. And it was okay.
We are going to go back, but
This is very cold.
we know
In
where.
the morning is almost around 5 degree. I'm checking temperature in my smartwatch. So it's very cold. Rajat, if you don't want
Sorry,
to
this
wake up,
is a disclaimer that this is not an endorsement of any kind of watch. And yes,
have been good morning. So
outside, yeah.
we're waiting on the tea and the auto wala and the taxi wala.
Are managing with inside the camp. It's very difficult to work with. We are planning.
Good morning everyone. So we are at the second day of our trip. You can see the natural beauty outside, mountain and the girls dancing there. So we wake up early in the morning at 7 o'clock to get this view. Sun peeping out of the mountain, between the mountain. It's very beautiful. Able to see grass full of dew over it, and it's almost water. It's almost water, okay? So we are going for a breakfast now. We'll have a breakfast and we will move toward the second day plan, that is Rishikesh.
things, and we will be going to Ram Jhula, Lakshman Jhula, Meenakshi Devi Temple, and a few other things there. Okay. So we have completed the trek of 14 kilometers. So we can see the mountain. We have climbed down and came again. So this is Rajat. He's tired so much. So Richa, would you like to say something?
I'm just too happy to complete.
Morning can't be better than this. Look at the beauty just outside our camp.
हमारे पास ज़्यादा पैसे थे नहीं तो हमें इंटरनल कुली हायर करना पड़ा आईजेपी के थ्रू.
I'm highly paid, okay?
हम इसको पे नहीं करने वाले हैं, इसको गलतफहमी है. And the struggle begins again. We have to walk down 14 kilometers and then we'll be able to reach somewhere down there and again up there. But it's going to take a lot of efforts. रास्ता बहुत ही मुश्किल है, but I'm sure we'll be able to make it.
So we are again en route from our base camp, Camp Crossfire, to Rishikesh city, which is our day 3 destination. Stay tuned. So we are in the Rishikesh city now. We are going to check in hostels. So hostels काफ़ी अच्छा है, बहुत इकोनॉमिक है. You can just keep your luggage there, get freshen up and roam around the city. It's a beautiful built place. See,
And this is the common area.
काफ़ी इकोनॉमिक भी रहेगा and
This is so green.
you can take rest in a good quality accommodation in
Your
less amount.
destination is on the left.
Thanks, Google.
So good afternoon, guys. We are at Tex Cafe in Rishikesh, and so in essence we planned our lunch here, and it's gonna be very good. We want to see the outside look. You can watch that. So we have reached Rajaji National Park, where we are finding our destination, that is Beatles Ashram. So we have our team going on. We are again trekking after yesterday's trek. Anybody want to say something? They all are in
Guys,
Nirvana mode now.
guys, we are super excited to see the super cool Beatles ashram. इसके बारे में हमने सिर्फ सुना है. And this was created by the Beatles band. In which year, Sakshi?
Richa, if you will say what will we say? It's scripted, no. But I'll say that thing.
It is not built by Beatles.
Beatles
I-
band had visited this
We
ashram.
should visited Rishikesh, and then we started.
Okay, we have this something itinerary and we'll follow this and go. Let's come.
Follow us. Watch out.
So we are on the Ram Jhula right now, and the bridge is very scary because it keeps on shaking, but the view is worth it. Guys, so now we are
Photo खींचना है, photo.
on the Ram Jhula, and we have to cross this bridge to reach Beatles ashram. We'll tell you more about the ashram, but right now I think we should just take a moment and enjoy this serenic beauty and our ride on the Lakshman Jhula. Sorry, Ram Jhula. What do you have to say, driver?
It's very nice. It's amazing experience. First time I am riding a bike
On the Jhula.
over a river.
Yes,
It's a different experience
an
altogether.
experience completely. Let's go.
So we are here, Beatles Ashram. Here we're going to see this cave made up of stones. It's a round cave, and the international band called as Beatles who came here 80 years back, and they used to do meditation in the same thing. It's quite calm. After entering this shape, we are not able to hear anything from outside. So it's again a miracle in itself that how they made this thing at that time. Signing off.
Sharma signing off.
Hello everyone, signing off for the amazing experience of last 2 days, 3 days. And we are again sitting in front of that hotel whose gate Hi people, so it's the end of our journey from Jasura to Rishikesh, and we are here at IGI, board our flight from Delhi to Jasura. It was an amazing experience, a thrilling experience, and I don't have words. Rajat, would you like to say something? So that's the end of an amazing trip. Here are some beautiful pictures from the trip. Stay tuned with Sharmali Talks for such future vlogs. Please like and subscribe the channel.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.